whether he will face death by lethal injection or life in prison. Mobile County jury recommended Kennedy be executed after it convicted him of the beating death of realtor Zoa White back in 2010. Fox 10 News reporter Steve Alexander tells us this has been a trial with some really unusual twists. Steve?
Very unusual. The jury deliberated a little less than 2 hours before recommending 11-1 that Carlos Kennedy be put to death. It did not have to be unanimous. Now, during the trial, jurors saw graphic pictures of the scene where Zoa White was killed in her home. It also saw a taped interview between police and Kennedy, and it saw Kennedy twice take the stand, only to say he wouldn't answer his attorney's questions because he never wanted their help and wanted to defend himself. Well, after the trial, I talked to Zoa White's daughter, prosecutor JoBeth Murphy, and one of Kennedy's attorneys who said he was prepared to vigorously defend Kennedy to try to save him from execution.
We are very grateful. It was a very tough trial. The jury deliberated long and hard. They had to look at things they did not want to look at. They had a very, very tough thing to do, and I commend them. I applaud them for what they did, and they have truly delivered justice today.
He's got no significant criminal history whatsoever. You know, he's college educated. You know, he got a good family, and we were going to present those things to the jury, along with what we felt like was an appropriate punishment, which was life without parole. But once the client took things over, that all went by the wayside.
I waited. I've done what I needed to do. Now I grieve.
Now, the jury can only recommend a sentence. It's up to the judge, Joseph Johnston, to go ahead and hand that sentence down, or whatever sentence he chooses. He has scheduled a hearing now, June 17th, 2 o'clock, to announce his decision. Reporting live from the newsroom, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.